give you economy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets caused real big pissed off quick. And if you try to see him right off. Feel the push apart it. If you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you let scars rip. You be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, but subconscious that I'm accomplished.